Good day everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to play Minecraft story mode in mobile. So guys, you just need to of course open up the game, then press on play. After that you'll be prompted to create a new world. As you can see, I've already created one. So let us just create a new world. Press on this button. Let me actually make it a bit less loud and just name your world, for example, test. Okay, you can also create a survival or creative mode. Survival is going to be our story mode, creative is going to be the mode with cheats, so that's something you don't really want to play, in my opinion. Or you can also change the difficulty. It's going to be from peaceful to hard. You can also set hardcore, so for example, if you die, your complete game will basically delete itself. So if you die, you're done, game over. So that's pretty much it. You can create your server on Realm server, basically online, or you can create it locally on your phone. So press on create. Now it will just load up and you can start playing. Alright, so as you can see, we are now spawned in our world, as you can see. So there you go. You can now easily play, guys, like this, and enjoy your story mode. So guys, that's pretty much the tutorial. Hopefully this helps you out. Like the video and subscribe for more stuff like this, gaming tutorials and how-tos. We upload daily, and I will see you soon.